again. Bills must go through the mail twice as fast. I need to find a job.
Hi Luis, how are you?
I am doing great, thanks. Any news about your own restaurant?
No, the restaurant idea has to wait. I am thinking about buying an apartment first.
Where is the apartment? Around here.
I found one apartment that is on this street. How are your studies going?
I failed an exam yesterday.
That is a bad luck.
I even asked the professor for one more question.
And did he ask you another?
Yes. When do I come again to repeat the exam? Looking at these bills, I have to find a small job soon.
Come this evening to the pizza factory. We might have something for you.
Great. What time are you there?
Come any time in the evening. I have to run, see you later.
Thank you. See you. He must be using pizza as a perfume.
What a lucky day.
Hello, I am Luis. I am here to see Mateus.
Don't walk around here. You can find him in the kitchen.
Thank you.
Hi. Give me a minute to finish this order.
That looks delicious.
Alex. The number 8 is ready.
She does not talk much, right?
Yes, she does. I am just afraid that she does not like it here.
Why are you so sad about it?
I don't want her to leave. Anyway, are you patient with people?
What? I think I am a patient person, yes. Why?
Good. How well do you drive a car?
Always according to the rules and traffic.
You might be a little faster, so that standing objects are not overtaking you. Do you prefer to take the elevator or run the stairs up?
I like doing sport if that is the question.
Great. Then you run faster than turtle in a peanut butter. And how many onions can you peel in 10 minutes?
Maybe 5, I guess.
Too few. You will learn to peel faster.
Why are you asking such questions?
We need a delivery boy and help in the kitchen.
I can try that. When would you like me to start?
Can you start tomorrow?
Yes, on Fridays I have time.
Be here at 9 in the morning. Sorry, I have to take this. See you tomorrow.
Thanks. Bye.
Pizza Factory, good evening.
Thank you, see you tomorrow.
Great.
No. I overslept.
Good morning, I am Mateus.
Good morning, nice to meet you. Let us have a look at the apartment. As you can see, the previous owner did not care much about the apartment.
Did he have some kind of chemical laboratory here? That is an unusual hobby.
It was not only his hobby. Let us have a look at the next room. This room could be a bedroom. It is located on the quiet side of the building.
The previous owner must have been also an artist.
He had some artistic talent. Let me show you the kitchen. The kitchen needs some cleaning.
And perhaps to find a new home for the pets living here.
I am sorry about that. The bathroom is this way.
I think you should visit the apartment before our meeting.
It must be just a stuffed animal. Notice the bathroom itself is with enough natural light.
I don't remember being this on the floor.
I believe you just have not noticed it before.
It is not what I expected. Let me think about it.
Would you like to see another apartment? It is 2 streets away from here.
After I saw this apartment? Sure. What is the address?
Rooster Street 1. Let's meet there in 10 minutes.
Sure. Until then.
Great. That went exactly as planned.
Good morning. My name is Luis, I am the new delivery guy.
Hi. I am Alex. Hurry, help in the kitchen. Cut the onions and chili peppers before the phone starts ringing.
Sorry I am late. I will start right now. That is a lot of onion. Should I really cut all this?
Yes, all you see there. You have about 20 minutes.
Swimming glasses would be helpful now.
You are crying?
Yes, it always makes me very sad to take the skin off the onion.
It is a real tragedy, yes. Wait for the garlic and chili. Just don't forget to wash your hands after you are done.
I will keep that in mind. Thanks. My hands are burning. Just these few chili peppers.
Pizza Factory, hello. Yes, of course. What is the address? It will take 20 minutes. Thank you. Get ready. In a few minutes you have your first delivery.
Thanks for letting me know. I am just finishing.
Pizza is ready, you can drive.
I am right there, just a minute. That burns. I forgot to wash my hands.
Hi.
Hello. This residence is well maintained and very quiet.
It is further away from where I would like to live.
The living room has furniture in a great condition.
The view is also nice. Just that the people seem to be a bit disoriented for some reason.
They must be just tired from the work. Let us quickly check the bedroom.
What about the kitchen? It is right here.
The kitchen was installed just 1 year ago and can be used immediately. Let us see the bedroom.
Did you hear that? It sounds like a farm.
Really? I did not hear anything.
Here is the bathroom, right?
Yes, we can have a look right after.
We are here already, let us have a quick look. This is exactly how I would imagine my bathroom to be.
It looks great, doesn't it? We can come back. I would like to show you the bedroom first.
Why does she insist so much to see the bedroom first? All right, show me.
The bedroom has a lot of natural light and has enough space for a large closet.
It is really nice, it comes even with the bed already.
Correct. We can have a look at the other rooms again.
Let me just have a look from the balcony. It is on the other side of the building, right?
Correct.
He does not stop crowing.
Sorry, could you please repeat that?
I saw enough. I take the first apartment.
Then we can meet tomorrow in my office to do the paperwork.
Thank you. See you tomorrow.
It will be 10 p.m. soon. Are you finishing?
This takes so much time. I was thinking. Maybe we could build a small automatic washing line for that.
You engineers. There are dishwashing machines already. Did you know? Hi. How did the apartment visits go?
Hi, Alex. One of them was really bad.
Why? It was in a bad condition?
No, there was a farm with a rooster that never stops crowing.
That must drive people crazy there. Have you found any other then?
Yes, and it is close to here. I think you would like that one. How is our engineer doing the first day? Hey! How are you doing?
I will dream about these dishes.
He is just tired of inventing various machines for everything.
Mental work must be exhaustive. I will count the cash meanwhile. Luis. Come here. It seems that you made some mistake.
What mistake do you mean?
There is less money than it should. Be careful that people give you the correct value back.
How much is missing?
You are not lucky today, more than half of the salary is missing.
Does that mean that I worked the whole day for almost nothing?
It is fine to learn from mistakes.
That way I will be a genius soon.
Don't worry, salary is not the most valuable thing here.
What do you mean?
You will understand one day. Alex, do you need some help?
What a day. Subscribe to Felse channel to not miss the next episode.